Hey guys, John V here from Phone Arena. Right now I'm taking a hands-on look at the LifeProof free iPhone 5 case. It's available right now. You can actually pick it up for $80 online, and it's available also in a variety of different retailers. Now it's very unique in the way that it's LifeProof, so it's IP868 certified. It's going to protect the handset from dust, debris, drops, and even water submersion. It's not as bulky compared to some other comparable cases. That's the first thing I noticed with the LifeProof free iPhone 5 case. The design's definitely appealing too. You could tell it's still relatively pocketable in the hand. You have some added level of protection thanks to its plastic casing. It gives it strength and its durability. It's a two-part case, which is nice. You have the front cover and the back, and it's held together in place with this clip right here. And definitely has a little bit more appeal thanks to the yellow color of the case. So in order to remove the handset from the case, you gotta remove the lock right here, and from there, you just gotta pry it off around its sides. So it's relatively form-fitting, and on top of that, very snug too, so you don't have to worry about any water coming in if you do drop it accidentally. And you can tell it's a two-part piece case. You have the front cover, which is protected with this plastic here for the water protection, and you still could use things like the earpiece and even the home button. It's relatively accessible. And the back, you have a cutout here for just the Apple logo, and of course for the cameras itself. So the handset is very protected, even in the event it's submerged underwater. Around these sides of the handsets, we find it's all of its ports and buttons. For example, you have the volume controls, the mute switch on the left, dedicated power button on the top. The bottom, you have access to the lightning port, just remove the latch. But when it comes to the 3.5mm headset jack, you gotta use the included adapter here just because it's a little bit recessed, so you just can't plug in your standard headphones and expect them to connect. You gotta use this, guys, so that means you gotta bring it around with you wherever you go, which is a little bit of a pain. That's one of the concerns we have. The other one's with the plastic front cover here, which gives it its water protection. When it comes to making phone calls, it kind of muffles the voices just because the earpiece itself is hidden away behind a plastic piece. One of the cool things about the free LifeProof case for the iPhone 5 is that it is very rugged proof. So when it comes to drops, it's going to protect the handset thanks to its rubbery side bumpings. So even if it comes into contact from as much as 6 feet from the ground, it's going to protect the handset very well. And you can tell thanks to the rubbery material, it gives it a little bit of a shock protection as it bounces. And finally, without question, the coolest thing about the free case from LifeProof is that it is waterproof too, up to 6.6 feet of water. So you could take it to the pool, go to the beach, you could do some video recording, take some photos for an extended period of time, and you could sleep knowing that the handset's protected very well. So it's just a really cool feature that you don't see with many cases. There you have it, folks. That is the LifeProof free iPhone 5 case. And if you're serious about protecting your handset for pretty much anything in your daily life, you drop it, if you're using the rain, stuff like that, this is a case that's going to get the job done. Definitely like the slim profile of the case itself. Its rugged aspect, drop proof, waterproof, dust proof, all that. For $80, obviously it's up there. But if you want to protect the handset from all the elements, this is something that's going to really appeal to you.